Hello, friends. I'm very happy to see you here today. If you want to speak English more fluently and sound natural, this lesson is perfect for you. Today, we will learn about a very useful method called shadowing. Shadowing means listening to English and speaking at the same time as the speaker. It is like you are following them closely, just like a shadow. You try to copy the words, the voice, and even the way the speaker pronounces each sound. At first, it may feel a little strange or difficult. You may feel that you cannot keep up with the speaker, and that is normal. Don't worry. With practice, it becomes easier and very powerful. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking, listening, and even thinking in English. You can use short videos, podcasts, or songs for this practice. Shadowing works because it trains your ears and mouth together. When you listen carefully, your brain starts to recognize sounds, words, and patterns quickly. Your mouth also learns how to make English sounds like a native speaker. This is very important because English pronunciation can be very different from your first language. When you do shadowing every day, your brain starts to connect listening and speaking naturally. You don't need to think about grammar or translation first. Your brain learns to speak English automatically. Think about learning a song. The more you sing along with the singer, the better you sound, right? The same happens with shadowing. When you speak with the speaker, you copy the speed, rhythm, and tone of real English. You learn how words flow together and how native speakers pause, stress words, or use emotion in their voice. You also notice common expressions, contractions, and everyday phrases that are used in real life. The best thing about shadowing is that it helps you feel more confident. At first, you may make mistakes, and that is okay. The more you practice, the less you worry about mistakes. Your speaking becomes smoother, your pronunciation gets better, and your listening improves. You start to understand conversations faster and even begin thinking in English. Shadowing is like giving your brain and mouth a complete workout for English. It is simple, powerful, and effective. If you do it every day, even just 5 to 10 minutes, you will see amazing results in your speaking, listening, and overall fluency. When you practice shadowing, something very special happens. You don't have time to translate in your head from your language into English. Instead, you listen and speak at the same time. This is very important because it trains your brain to think in English. Thinking in English is a key step to speaking fluently. When your brain connects sounds and words directly, you don't need to stop and think about grammar or meaning. You can respond faster and feel more confident in conversations. At first, it may feel a little hard because your brain is used to translating. But with daily practice, it becomes easier. You start to understand English more quickly and speak without hesitation. Shadowing also helps your pronunciation a lot. When you copy the speaker, you learn how to pronounce words correctly. You notice which syllables are stressed, which words are linked together, and how the speaker changes tone to show meaning or emotion. This makes your English sound natural and more like a native speaker. For example, when someone says, "I'm going to the store," you may notice they say, "I'm going to go to the store." Shadowing teaches you these natural ways of speaking. Over time, shadowing makes your speaking smoother. You start to speak without stopping too much. Your sentences flow naturally, and your voice becomes more confident. You begin to sound more like a real English speaker because you practice the rhythm, speed, and melody of English every day. This is something textbooks cannot teach. Another benefit is that shadowing improves listening skills. When you copy a speaker, your ears learn to catch English sounds more clearly. You can hear words that you may have missed before, and you start understanding conversations faster. You also learn common phrases, expressions, and short words that people use in everyday speech. Shadowing builds both fluency and confidence. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you shadow, the more comfortable you feel speaking English. You begin to think in English, pronounce words better, understand conversations faster, and speak with confidence. By practicing a few minutes every day, you will notice big improvements in your fluency, your listening, and your overall English skills. Shadowing is simple, fun, and very effective. Many learners make mistakes when they start shadowing, and that is normal. One common mistake is choosing audio that is too difficult. If the words are too fast or too hard, you may not understand most of it. This can make you feel frustrated and stop practicing. It is better to choose audio that is easy or medium level. You should be able to understand some words and sentences. When it is easier, your brain can focus on speaking and copying, not just trying to guess the meaning. Another mistake is speaking too slowly. At first, it may feel hard to keep up with the speaker. You may want to pause the audio and repeat words slowly, but if you do this too much, shadowing will not work well. The key is to try speaking with the speaker, even if it is a little fast. You can practice small parts first. Listen to a short sentence or phrase, repeat it a few times, and then move to the next part. Little by little, you will be able to follow longer sentences without stopping. Some learners also start shadowing without listening first. It is important to listen to the audio once or twice before you start speaking. Listening first helps you understand the meaning and the flow of the sentences. If you start repeating without understanding, it is easy to make mistakes in words or pronunciation. When you know the meaning, your shadowing will be more accurate and natural. Other mistakes include giving up too early and thinking shadowing is perfect from the start. Shadowing takes time and practice. You will make mistakes, and that is normal. Mistakes help you learn. The important thing is to keep practicing every day, even for a few minutes. Consistency is more important than time. Some learners also forget to focus on pronunciation and intonation. It is not enough to say the words, you should try to copy how the speaker says them. Pay attention to stress, tone, and rhythm. This makes your English sound natural and clear. Shadowing is simple, but small mistakes can slow your progress. Choose the right audio. Listen first, practice slowly at the beginning, and keep going. If you avoid these common mistakes, your speaking, listening, and confidence will improve faster. Remember, practice every day, and your English will become more natural and fluent. Shadowing is easy if you follow simple steps every day. First, choose short audio that is easy to understand. It can be 1 or 2 minutes long. Make sure the speaker talks clearly and slowly. This will help you hear the words correctly. If the audio is too long or too difficult, you may feel tired or frustrated. Easy audio helps you practice without stress and makes learning fun. Next, listen to the audio once or twice without speaking. Try to understand the meaning of what the speaker says. Listen carefully to the words, the sentences, and the tone. Listening first helps your brain recognize the sounds and understand the message. If you start shadowing without listening, it can be hard to follow, and you may make more mistakes. After that, play the audio again and start shadowing. Speak with the speaker at the same time. Try to copy the words, the speed, and the tone. Don't worry if it feels fast. You can pause and repeat small parts until you can follow comfortably. You can break the audio into sentences or phrases. Practice each part slowly, then join them together. Repeat the same audio many times. Repetition is very important. The more you shadow, the more your brain and mouth get used to English sounds and rhythm. Daily practice, even for 5 to 10 minutes, is better than long practice once a week. Small daily steps bring big improvements. You can practice shadowing with many types of English. You can use YouTube videos, podcasts, news clips, or movie and TV scenes. Choose something interesting for you, so it feels fun. If you enjoy the topic, you will practice more and learn faster. Remember, the goal is to speak with the speaker and copy the natural way they talk. Pay attention to pronunciation, stress, and intonation. Shadowing helps your listening, speaking, and confidence all at the same time. Start small, stay consistent, and keep practicing every day. Soon, you will see that your English becomes more natural, smooth, and easy to understand. Shadowing is simple, fun, and very effective for all learners. Start your day with a simple shadowing practice. In the morning, spend 5 minutes with a short podcast or audio clip. Listen carefully and speak at the same time as the speaker. Copy their words, speed, and tone. Don't worry if you make mistakes. It is normal. The important thing is to try and keep going. In the afternoon, choose a short scene from a movie or TV show. 2 or 3 minutes is enough. Listen first, then shadow the speaker. Try to copy the way they speak, the rhythm, and the emotion in their voice. Breaking it into small parts makes it easier to follow. In the evening, review the same audio again before you go to bed. Shadowing at night helps your brain remember the words and sentences you practiced during the day. Even just a few minutes before sleeping makes a big difference. The key is consistency. Practicing a little every day is much better than doing a long session once in a while.